Siri, what is the temperature in Fahrenheit?
It's minus 14 degrees Fahrenheit outside.
Minus 14? That's just gonna be painful. If we're gonna do this, we're gonna do this a little warmer. I gotta get coffee.
I wanna go out and face the cold, but it's a really good time for a monologue. Can't let this pass.
One of the cool things about geocaching is that it brings the world together. I've met so many awesome people through this incredible hobby of geocaching. When I started this almost 10 years ago, who knew that finding containers out in the woods and in urban areas and cool gadget caches would bring me so many cool friends. And one of the ways it brings us closer is through these things called trackables. If you're new to geocaching, you can send out a geocoin or a trackable item, a trackable tag that has a code on it, and you can watch it travel the world, and you can give it goals. And sometimes people make the goal of their trackable to get to me. So there's a young woman in Australia by the name of Hannah that sent out a trackable to find me months and months ago, and surprise, surprise, it is in my area. So today, I'm going to brave the cold temperatures. This is like the coldest day so far in Minnesota. I'm gonna pick up that trackable, find that geocache. It is so cold out there that my phone won't charge, that I have to use hand warmers to warm up the battery.
Feels like I'm drifting too far from the line. When you left your final word.
Okay, I'm here. I'm at the geocache location. This cache is by a local cacher named Geary and Company. It is a backyard cache. It's a big one. Plenty of room for my trackable. So I'm gonna find my trackable. Let's find this cache. Let's get cold because it is still super cold outside. It's so cold there's frost inside the car.
Our roads have crossed before, and someday
I'm heading back down in somebody's backyard. What? Oh my gosh. I think I found it. Holy cow. That is a mother of a geocache. Right now it looks like an air conditioner. Oh my gosh, look at this awesome camo. All right, time to, oh my gosh, my snot's freezing. All right, time to remove the camo. It's like a tree. All right, let's figure this box of wonder out. All right, guys, we got a box, and there's snow on top of the box, and there is a lock here. There's a lock here. All right, there it is. It says official geocache. I gotta figure out how to open this bad boy up. All right, after further examination, I found another little box on the side of the big box, and I think it might have something to do with opening the giant geocache. Something in here. What is in here? Ooh. Contents. One key. I have to get inside this little PVC pipe. So it looks like this is a little puzzle here. And what you do is you have to move it, like so. Little field puzzle. Look at that. Come on, drop out, little key. Dun 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 dun. Yes! I got a key. I am the key master. Where's the gatekeeper? Ghostbusters reference? Anyone? Ghostbusters? Moment of truth. Yes! It opened it.
someday our roads have crossed before.
This is a favorite point. That is a huge geocache, a giant swag box, bison tube. It's a wall of trackables. There is so much to explore inside this gigantic geocache. Now that is an ammo can. Let's open it. Oh, of course. The logbook's inside, and it is, of course, locked up. So now we got to figure out the combination to the ammo can, which is probably in this box of wonders. Maybe it's in this Tupperware thing here. Nope. Oh, we got a bison tube here. I wonder if it's in these bison tubes. All right, yes. Inside these bison tubes are numbers. I'm gonna collect each of the numbers. Let's open this bad boy.
Someday
That is what I call a large logbook for a large cache.
Never been this tired.
This cache doesn't mess around with the swag. Let's see what's in this huge thing. Are you kidding? Ferris Bueller's Day Off? The best of Will Ferrell as a back scratcher? Oh, that felt good. Toenail clipper, whoopee cushion, hours of fun, instant detailer. Whoa, how saucy. Mae West playing cards. Look, it's a bunch of knobs for a dresser. Whoa, Wisconsin Badger duct tape? We'll just put that right back. A mouse trap. I don't think I've seen the geocache filled with so much awesome swag in a long time. So I'm gonna add to the geocaching goodness inside this cache, and I'm gonna add a Magic the Gathering trackable that is unactivated. Come find it, guys. So we got a whole wall of trackables. I gotta find which one is mine. Is it the little crocheted smiley face? No, I don't think so. Leaving cash for Joshua Johnson, Geary and Company. Oh, Hannah, there you go. Australia to USA, vlogger to vlogger. Travel the USA to get to the geocaching vlogger. Well, there you have it. What an awesome geocaching adventure. What a great cache. Thank you, Geary and Company, for letting me share this geocache with the world. And thank you, Hannah from Australia, for sending this trackable to me. I will probably send it right back to you. Guys, if this is the first time watching my videos, make sure you click that subscribe box. You don't want to miss any of our adventures as we bring joy to the world, one geocaching video at a time, even if it's super cold. So cold, in fact, that I had to use 3 of my batteries because my camera was shocked by the weather. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.
Someday, our ocean will find